All right, so welcome to another module. In this module, we are going to learn everything about auto layout. I know this is a scary topic for many designers, but I'm going to demystify it for you. We're going to understand the foundations and then apply that in these mini projects, and then build this card component and then complex components such as this calendar component, and then ultimately apply this on this responsive table. So we're going to kind of go into those topics, like the vertical layout, horizontal wrap, space between, horizontal vertical padding, fixed hug, advanced auto layout settings, so that you feel confident working with auto layout and have a strong foundation, understanding the auto layout and apply what you learn. So once you kind of understand this foundation, learn how to trial and error and fix issues or problems as they arrive, you're gonna feel more confident. And then as we build scalable components or advanced layout, then the auto layout becomes the core foundations of that, and also helps you design better UI because you maintain consistent spacing and help you be more efficient and things. So that being said, let's dive deeper into the auto layout module, and let's get started with the foundation in the next module.